Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Meenakshi. I brought some activities and assignments for the teachers which you can give to your students in online classes on the occasion of Teachers' Day. It's always nice to know that students are thinking of you even when you are away. Hope you will like these assignments. Assignment first. My teacher, my idol. We should be thankful to God for our teachers, our real heroes there. Have you think so that your teacher is your idol? If yes, write your views in a short paragraph. Second is, every student must know story behind the Teacher's Day. Search the story, including your parents and siblings. Give that story a role play. The third is, give yourself look of your favorite teacher and act like him. Speak any dialogue of your favorite teacher and send a very short video to him as a surprise. Fourth, say few words about your teachers or show your thankfulness to your teachers by delivering a very small speech either in Hindi or in English. Next is, every student has some memories of the classroom. If you have, pen down your favorite memory of class of something your teacher helped you be a better person. Next is, make a poster of your own imagination in thanking for your teachers or related to Teachers' Day. Next, if you are good at drawing, you can draw or sketch a poster of your favorite teacher. That will definitely amaze your teacher. Make a colorful greeting card for your teachers and send it to their WhatsApp or through email. Make an art including the list of why are you thankful for your teachers. I hope these ideas will be helpful for you. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.